My country people, on a good morning. So we dey live now for Owerri, the Imo State capital, where we dey expect the #1 citizen for Nigeria, wey name na President Muhammadu Buhari. Where we dey na Bank Road for Imo State. Meanwhile, the Commissioner for Information yesterday be gather tori pipo where im tok say the president visit mean say Imo State dey do well and the governor dey do well. Himself come talk say market people say they go come welcome Buhari and say market no go open today. Say they go close market to come welcome Buhari. So where we dey na Douglas Road for Imo State. I don use eye check bank dem wey dey for this bank road. No bank open for here today. And this road dey lead to government house roundabout. So when Buhari go land airport, Buhari go first go the Naze naked road. At that place, he go start the commissioning from. Then when he come do that one finish, he go come go the Tiger for Chukuma Wonha. And then he go come go commission the balloon and technology underground project. Then after that one, Buhari go come government house. Then after he do everything, Buhari go come speak to the Igbo people, closed door. All the stakeholders wey dey for Southeast, Buhari go get closed door meeting with them.